Welcome to moleysBitz channel. This is DJ Moley. This is a quick unboxing on setup of the Google Pixel 3a. The phone comes in at $399 US and $399 UK pounds. And I managed to get a bundle with the Google Nest Hub as part of the same package. So it's quite a nice box, as you can see. And let's just get into the unboxing. It's running on Android Pie 9, as you can see from the specs. Right, yeah, it's a little bit hard to get out of the box, as you can see. This looks pretty good, this phone, wow. Compared to my iPhone 6, as you can see, me comparing it just now, what a difference it is. The only reason why I upgraded it or getting a new phone is because my iPhone 6 is probably going to be due out of support. So I went for the black finish, as you can see. So the glass on the phone is not Gorilla Glass and it's called Dragon Tail Glass. The fingerprint reader on the back, I've already tested this and works pretty well. Not had a chance to use the camera much, but from what I hear from other reviews, it is very good. Comes with 3 years of software updates. Let's just go back into the box and see what else we've got. So here's the documentation. So you've got a SIM ejector tool, the instructions, and some stickers. And here's the USB-C charger cable. So this has got a fast charging device. The plug, that's just a USB adapter. A little bit tricky to get out of the box, but well, you know what that is. So yeah, this is the UK 3-pin plug, as you can see. That's pretty much it. So let's get on to the setup. Okay, so here you have it. Just turning the phone on. So yeah, it brings up the Google logo. Google say it comes with Google Photos Unlimited, but it's not quite the same as Google Pixel 3. But you can make use of your page storage. The unlimited part is for high quality photos which are compressed. So just take note. Just connecting to the Wi-Fi. So we'll get that set up. Checking for updates now. Now this bit here is just copying your apps and data. So that takes a bit of time. I've had to speed this through a little bit just so that you can actually see the setup, but it takes probably about 5 minutes to set up. Amazing that they included the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now onto the Google services, so you can just pick which ones you want to enable here. Now we're into the fingerprint reader, which I'm going to skip for now because I just want to get to the main screen. Okay, so here you have it. This is the home page. This is my first time I've really experienced the Android device, so that's pretty much it. We're just going to do a little test on the browser to my channel. So I'm just here putting in here moleysBitz, as you can see. So yeah, it's a great phone from what it looks like. But it's my first Android device, works well, and I recommend it. It's not water resistant, so don't try and get it wet. So thank you for watching this video on moleysBitz channel. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments section. Until the next video, later.